Today, we're going to look at FRED, the Federal Reserve Economic Database. Once inside the database, you'll have access to over 45,000 data elements. Today, we'll use the FRED graph function to compare housing prices in Phoenix, Arizona to Detroit, Michigan. Clicking on the link takes you to the welcome FRED graph, but as you can see, there's no data. We'll populate it with data by using the browse function. This shows us different categories of data within the FRED system. First is money, banking, and finance, which shows banking, money supply, and interest rate data. National accounts shows government debt, flow of funds, and the trade balance. Population, employment, and labor is a great place to get employment statistics and learn about income distribution. Productivity in business shows construction, manufacturing, and retail sales data. Prices, which we'll use today, shows CPI and other indices. International data is such data as debt and productivity for other countries. Finally, regional data allows you to drill down into individual state data. Select prices and then go to Case-Shiller and click on that. That's going to take us to a page that has all of the Case-Shiller information that's available. The top shows the top 20 and top 10 city composites, and below that are individual cities, including Detroit, Michigan, and Phoenix, Arizona. On the right-hand side, you'll see a lot of valuable information, including the start and end date of the data series, and frequency such as quarterly, or in this case, monthly data. Let's click on Detroit and populate the chart. When the chart comes up, it's good to know that this is a chart based off of 100% equaling January 1st, 2000. All of the data before and after that date are keyed into 100% equaling January 1, 2000. Also note below, we can change the beginning and end date of the time series. All right, let's add Phoenix to the chart. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to browse. We're going to select prices. And we're going to select Case-Shiller. This time we'll click on Phoenix, Arizona. When we do that, it will be automatically added to our chart. Phoenix is shown in red and Detroit is shown in blue. At this time, what we're going to do on the chart is get rid of any data before 2000. So we're going to go to the observation date that I mentioned previously, replace 1991 with 2000. Then we'll go below and click on redraw the chart. When we do that, notice that Phoenix, which is shown in red, has all of the data deleted prior to 2000. Let's do the same thing for Detroit. We'll go to the observation date, change the beginning to January 1, 2000. We'll click on redraw, and when we do that, what we'll find out is now all of the information is gone for Detroit as well prior to 2000. What we end up with is a chart that really dramatically shows the bubble in housing that Phoenix experienced from the time period 2004 through 2006. Right now in 2012, you'll see that home prices in Phoenix are just about equal to what they were in the year 2000. Detroit, on the other hand, never had a large bubble between 2004 and 2006. Ironically, though, they were hit by the fall in housing prices, and you'll see that housing prices are now around 80% of what they were in 2000. And that concludes what I wanted to show you on the FRED database. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow.